Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I will show you the answer. We know that the solid G is above the hemisphere, that's about this one, below than SY plane, and they have the cylinder, that's about this one. So now I will show you the answer. We put about dv. Next, about z, we got about dz in here, because this is above than by the hemisphere. So we have from 0 to the square root of 4 minus x square minus y square. Next, we have dy. We put x square from here go to the right, and we know that they go about one circle. So we have the square root of 1 minus x square minus the square root of 1 minus x square, and this is from negative number 1 to number 1. This is about for the x. Now we need to calculate about this one in here, so we can use about polar coordinates. So we put about s equal to r cosine theta, y equal to r sine theta, dy dx we can put about r dr d theta. So we put everything in here. We put x square and y square, that is from here, and we have the square root of 4 minus r square, and about this one, this is about dy dx, we change for r dr d theta. And we have r in here. We know that the radius of the circle is about number 1, so we put about from 0 to number 1, and they go about one circle, so we got about from 0 to 2b. And now we just calculate about these triple integrals dz, so we just have this one left. That should be about r multiplied with the square root of 4 minus r square dr d theta. To calculate about this integration, we can use about substitution. So we put about u equals to the square root later that we put the square in the both sides. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. Later that we divide both sides with negative number 2. And now we need to change the boundary in here. If r equals to number 0, so u should be about number 2, because we put r in here. So we find the square root of number 4 is about number 2. Next, if r equals to number 1, so u should be about the square root of number 3. So we have this integration from 2 to the square root of number 3. This square root in here we change for u. R dr we change for negative u du. And you got negative u squared. And we got about negative u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about the boundary in here. We put square root of number 3 and number 2 in here. And we got about negative number 3 multiplied with the square root of number 3 minus number 2 over 3. This is about positive number 2 to the power of 3. So this one you got about 8. Now we put this number go back in here for this one. So we got about the integral from 0 to 2b, and we put this one go in here. And we got a final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.